Yeah.
Good touch.
Oh, the guy standing up there. Oh, no. There we go.
There you go. Warm. He's good at that. You notice?
Both flooded. Yeah, the front Do it silent. Do it silent. Yeah.
Did you want to talk that sled up?
Well, this is a 1976 Skidoo RV, and I took it out of the field, and it had been in the field for 5 years, and here we are.
Wow, that's amazing.
So we got it running last night, and started up again this morning, but it seemed it's temperamental right this minute, but
Sure.
we'll get it.
Nice. So have you done restoration work on that, or
No, it's just the way we got it
just
out.
the way you found it? Nice. That's still a nice example, though, for a field find.
It certainly is.
That's amazing. Now, was it covered or anything? Or?
Oh,
So that's been outside like that for all those years?
even the seat cover was still good.
Yeah, that's amazing. And it's a 76.
Yes, 1976 340.
340. Nice. I hear some noise back here. Let's see what we got. Let's snow jet.
Glad the people came out that are here, right?
Definitely. Yeah, it's a pretty good turnout considering the weather.
Yes, sir. Figures turn that camera on, that thing wouldn't start, right?
Of course.
Started right up.
Yeah, we'll jinx it every time. Surely.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Need a pen?
I'll send you a bill. Wanted to take a look at this SS. I remember liking these when I was a kid, when I was a teenager. And I'm trying to find the owner of this so I can get him to talk it up. So hopefully before this is done, we'll see that. And like I said, we're here in Washington, Vermont at a vintage snowmobile rally. Going to be here all day doing podcasts. So if you have family or friends you think would enjoy a vintage snowmobile podcast, please share this on their profile or tag them so they can be made aware of it. Share it on their own profile if you can. We're going to be doing live podcasts here all day.